Ever since the 2019 introduction of the G-Shock 2100 series, what we call the CasiOak, fans have been itching for a full metal version, and in 2022, they got one. Boy, did they get one. In fact, they got 4, in stainless, black, rose gold, and this one, the uncompromisingly blinged out yellow gold version. It's unapologetically 80s hip-hop and Bond villain all at once. And that's the point. This is the watch you put on to get noticed. And in that regard, the all-gold everything CasiOak is a grand slam. So let's go hands-on with this in-your-face G. The 2100 series punched a hole into the watch universe because of its resemblance to one of the world's biggest hype watches, the AP Royal Oak, and the full metal treatment pulls it even closer into that orbit. But make no mistake, this is every bit a G-Shock, and that all starts with the overbuilt case construction, featuring 200 meters of water resistance, and as for shock resistance, it's in the name. The famous octagonal bezel is even more in your face in gold, and it gets a nicely done circular brushed finish, with polished edges for good measure. It's definitely not a small watch, with its 49.8mm diameter appearing even bigger in gold. But like all the 2100 models, it wears well, thanks to a lug-to-lug of under 45mm, and the case height isn't overwhelming either. It's just 12.8mm, just a bit bigger than the original resin versions. But rest assured, this thing has presence. The gold handset jumps out from the black dial, dominating the face of the watch, with the busier functional features fading into the dark background. The watch is solar-powered, and you can conveniently activate the hand shift feature to more easily view the negative digital display. The display is small, but it offers a plethora of added functionality, as does the small subdial at 9. But really, the hands are the stars of this dial. The list of included functionality is long, but some of the highlights include 38 time zones, a stopwatch, a countdown timer, 5 daily alarms, and a power save feature that extends the battery's charge to a whopping 18 months if left in the dark. There's also a battery level indicator showing the amount of charge remaining from the solar-powered module. It's a nice reminder to leave the watch next to a window to top off the capacitor. And with Bluetooth connectivity, you can receive smartphone alerts as well as synchronize the time automatically. The gold stainless bracelet is another big selling point for a full metal G-Shock, and this one really hammers home the Royal Oak comparisons. The shape and detail of the links follow the form of the resin models, with a nicely integrated look. The brushed finish helps emphasize the polished circular indents that accent each link. A dual push-button clasp keeps things nice and secure. And here's some good news. Collectors no longer need to hunt down metal parts online in order to mod their CasiOak to look more upscale, as you can now get it straight from Casio themselves. And guess what? The end result is always going to be a much better execution than you can get by going the aftermarket route. It's the CasiOak the collectors have been asking for, no, clamoring for. And if you want yours to grab attention, yellow gold is the way to go. The full metal yellow gold G-Shock 2100 is available now, and it retails for $600 US. So tell me, what do you think? Has the CasiOak struck gold with this release? Personally, this is the watch I'm putting on for a night out, but you let us know in the comments. And when you do us a favor, make sure to hit the subscribe button, because it really helps. Stay up to date on all the latest watch reviews and content right here on the Time+Tide channel. And thanks for watching.